Hello, here's a quick demo of Gerent's Insurance Support Specialist Agentforce agent. So before I dive into the actual demo, just want to set the scene in terms of what this agent is, what it can do. So the Insurance Support Specialist is a virtual AI-powered assistant built on top of Agentforce. So this agent is a virtual assistant that can provide prompt, accurate, and compassionate support to FSC insured customers within an authenticated customer portal. So the insurance support specialist handles inquiries related to policy coverage, claim initiation, and general overall insurance information. So with that, I'll jump into it. So FSC Insure is just a fictitious insurance company. And here we have our customer, Oscar Tran. So if we look at Oscar Tran's account, he's got several policies. So he has a home insurance policy tied to his account. He also has an auto policy with quite a bit of detail in terms of his coverage, deductibles, details on that, and so on. So I'm going to go ahead and log in as Oscar to an authenticated insurance portal. We'll see that I'll be able to just start chatting with the insurance support agent and get responses as to my coverage. And then the other thing I'll just be going over is submitting a claim. So if we look at his account in the insurance agent console, there's an existing claim here. I'm going to go and try and submit one and see if that's how that syncs back with Salesforce. So with that, I will go ahead and log in. And as I called out, this is a completely authenticated experience. So there's no pre-chat form. There's no asking, who I am. I don't need to provide any information. I'm just logged in an already secure authenticated portal, and that will allow the agent to have the context of who I am as I'm asking it questions about my coverage and so on. And with that, now I'm logged in as Oscar Tran. I'll go ahead and click this button here to start the conversation with the agent. And we can see that our insurance support specialist joined right away. So with that little intro message here, and I can go ahead and start asking it just directly about my auto coverage. So can you tell me about my auto coverage? And again, it's now going back into searching Salesforce into my policy related data. So it's searching through, this is my home insurance, but it'll be searching through the details of this policy as well as the coverage and so on. So we'll go ahead there. I asked for just a first general overview. It's pulling quite a bit of information. I can ask for something very specific. Can you tell me about my collision coverage? And again, searching through the existing logged in users' policy coverage info. Again, pulling in the 2019 Toyota Corolla that Mr. Oscar drives with details on his coverage, additional options, and so on related to his policy. And then with that, I'll go ahead and say, hey, I was in a car accident and need to submit a claim. And then before going any further, the agent calls out, hey, sorry to hear about your accident. Hope everyone is safe. Let's get to the claim process. Before proceeding, need some information about what happened, reason and details of the claim. Someone rear-ended me and ruined my rear bumper. So I'll go ahead and provide those details. And then here, just for demo purposes, it should go ahead and fire off that claim submission. Of course, you can collect really any level of detail information that you need, but then the agent just gives that confirmation. I've submitted your claim for the rear end collision, damage to your rear bumper. You should receive an email confirmation shortly with the claim number. And then if I go ahead, again, I can still continue to ask it questions about my policy and coverage and so on, but I'll just jump right here to Oscar's account. We have that settled claim here, but I'll go ahead and refresh just to see the new one that came in. And now from within the insurance service console, you can see the new claim that's submitted here. It has details collected from the agent conversation there. So thank you for that. Hope that was helpful. Just a quick overview of our insurance specialist agent. Thank you.